The DS18 S69 6x9 speaker offers a substantial audio upgrade for car enthusiasts, delivering a powerful and clear sound through its robust power handling capabilities. With a sensitivity of 90.8 decibels, these speakers efficiently convert power into sound, providing an immersive listening experience across various volume levels. Constructed with high-quality materials, including a PPI cone and rubber surround, the DS18 S69 is designed for durability and a sleek aesthetic that complements your car's interior. The advanced tweeter technology featuring Mylar diaphragms and barium ferrite magnets provides crisp, high-frequency responses, adding clarity and depth to your audio experience. The versatile design of this speaker set, which includes grills and a three-way system, allows for easy installation and optimal performance in various vehicle setups. The DS18 S69 is not only a pair of speakers, but a comprehensive audio solution, ensuring compatibility and enhanced performance with its recommended crossover settings.